Jet lag can ruin the first few days of a trip, but it doesn't have to. Today we're breaking down scientifically proven ways to beat jet lag fast, backed by sleep experts, circadian rhythm research, and real-world travel hacks. Let's get into it. Tip 1. Start adjusting before you fly. One of the strongest strategies is to shift your sleep schedule 2 to 3 days before traveling. If you're flying east, go to bed an hour earlier each night. If you're flying west, go to bed later. This helps your internal clock begin the transition before you even take off. Tip 2. Use light exposure to control your body clock. Light is the most powerful signal for your circadian rhythm. When traveling east, get morning sunlight at your destination. When traveling west, get late afternoon or evening light. Just 20 to 30 minutes of exposure can shift your internal clock faster than anything else. Number 3. Melatonin, when to use it. Melatonin can help, but timing is everything. Research shows that taking half to 3 milligrams of melatonin about 1 hour before your new target bedtime helps your body adjust quicker. You don't need high doses. In fact, smaller amounts often work better. Tip number 4. Avoid alcohol and heavy meals in the air. Alcohol, caffeine, and heavy meals confuse your body clock and disrupt sleep. The best in-flight strategy is simple: hydration, light meals, and no alcohol. Your body adapts faster when it isn't processing heavy food or dehydrated from booze. Tip number 5. Sleep strategically on the plane. For eastbound flights, try to sleep early in the flight to align with earlier time zones. For westbound flights, stay awake longer, then sleep later. Use eye masks, headphones, and a neck pillow to block out noise and keep your spine aligned. Number 6. Move frequently and stay hydrated. Hydration and stiffness worsen jet lag symptoms. Drink water every hour and get up to walk or stretch regularly. This improves circulation, helps reduce fatigue, and prevents your body from feeling shocked when you land. Tip number 7. Follow destination time immediately after landing. The moment you land, switch to local time. Eat meals on local time. Stay awake until a reasonable bedtime. This signals your body to sync with your destination faster, typically within the first 24 hours. And finally, tip number 8. Power naps the right way. Naps can help, but only if they're short. Keep them under 30 minutes. Long naps reset your body clock in the wrong direction and make jet lag worse. So there you have it. Follow these science-backed strategies and you'll beat jet lag faster than ever. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more smart travel tips and destination guides. Thanks for watching. Come back for more travel videos and we'll catch you the next time.